Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Technically Unique, and today we're just going to see how to deactivate your account temporarily on your Pinterest on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to deactivate your Pinterest account on your mobile phone? So first of all, click on the unsaved option. Then you just need to click on the profile picture on the top. After clicking on the profile picture, you just need to go to the option called account management. Click on this account management. Now you can find an option on the bottom section called deactivate your account. So click on the deactivate temporarily. Now deactivate your account means no one will see your pins and also your profile. You won't be linked to the YouTube or LC or Instagram anymore. So you can reactivate your account anytime if you want to Pinterest again. Just log in with your account. So if you just click on the continue option, your account will be deactivated. To reactivate your account or active your account, just log into your account. That's it. So this will only deactivate your account, which anyone can't see your works like Pinterest, Etsy, and connected to the Etsy or Instagram, YouTube content. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique.